Thank you, sir. Uh, Good afternoon, my dear student participants. I am Dr. Peshi Swai, reader in sociology. I will discuss with you. I will discuss with you about MSOE 003, Theology of Religion. And so, let us start now. Now I am discussing about religion, a sociological perspective. Religion is as old as human societies have been in the some form or the other. Religions have their written texts, commentaries, and rituals. Religions are parts of great civilizations. Religion has a metaphysical base, sociological understanding of religion takes two paths using the writings of explanations of religion given in the texts and practices of peoples by earlier writers as data. The second one is developing a perspective or a set of perspective or understanding the central interest of sociological inquiries. For example, the role of the religion in generating cooperation and conflict in society, studying the relationship of society and religion in several societies and religions. These are the different perspectives, and we find the French philosopher Emile Durkheim was the first sociologist who studied about religion in Australia and in among the Aboriginal Australian tribe, that is Orunta. And he had written a book in the year 1912, and the name of the book is The Elementary Forms of Religious Life, which was published in the year 1915 in English language. So, Durkheim is considered as the father of religion in sociology. So far as our subject is concerned, you know, society, societies have a long history, and sociology was appeared in the first half of 19th century, and the French philosopher Auguste Comte was the father of sociology, and we find religion is as old as human society. So next, the scope of sociology. Shivanu, yes, Shivanu. Religion as a social force exerted influence in both the pre-literate and literate society in teaching the modes of worship cut widespread through human and poetic expressions. Next. compositions of Nanak and Kabir were used to put effects in Hindu religion. So far as the effects of Harikatha is concerned, we find in Hinduism, people are reflected by Harikatha, which is explained about Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna was the guru of Arun, and Arjun was motivated by Krishna, and the Krishna Leela in Vrindavan is reflecting the minds of Hindus even today. So the ancient period had its Shruti and Smriti tradition. People were listening to the religion and they were memorizing the rituals. Life was nearer to nature. People were believing in supernatural power and the totem represented the clan. The great epics of India are described with the ideas of good and evil. For example, the character of Lord Rama, Lord Krishna, we find these are the characters of good characters, character of gentleman, whereas the character of Ravan is the character of evil. The first formal schools took the form of mission schools, madrasas, ashramas, and seminaries. So we find these were the different institutions where formal religion, religious knowledge was imparted to the children. We find there are different religions like Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Jainism, Buddhism, Animism, and so on. So, Durkheim says religion was all pervasive and maybe may the soul of society. So, religious is a continuous process in human society and it is playing a significant role in our social life, in our cultural life. Religion is increasing our culture and building our moral characteristics, and it is essential for human society itself. Even next problem, say, totem kodagalai. Apare, process of knowledge. It began to develop the increasing division of labor and specialization. Due to increasing development of knowledge, we find the division of labor system as implemented in our society, and there is a specialization of knowledge due to advancement of science and technology, and religion itself becomes a specialized activity so that the teaching and practice is concerned. Religion, its theory and practice is encompassing our total knowledge. Changes of the role of religion in society is how the idea that God made man was reversed now. man's mental attitudes, abilities, and had constructed the idea of God. Durkheim raised the issue of scientific approach to the nature of religion. Religion is found in all societies, primitive, medieval, and modern. Durkheim was studying religion in primitive states. The people were very simple, and the people who were depending upon nature and believing in natural, supernatural power. They were worshipping to the animals, to the trees, to the mountains, and in medieval and modern society, religion has become complex. Society has become complex. So, religion is based on faith and no faith. Those who are believing on religion, they are uh, they are carrying out the rituals. Those who have no faith on religion, they are alienated from it. Social life is organized and gives a meaning and and value standards that guide social activities. Even next, study of totems. Among the aborigines of Australia, the case of the Orunta tribe group attracted Durkheim, Durkheim's attention, influences social aspects of the study of totem. Sense of belongingness was there among the tribal people belonging to Orunta, and they were having different clans within their Orunta tribe or among them, and each clan has a totem. They were worshipping the totem, and uh, this was also an exogamous group with no marriage occurring within it. So endogamy was uh, not possible. So people were related to the spirits of plants and animals in such a way that they could be recognized by that connection. Durkheim described the ceremonies and the spirit behind them as the soul of the group. Religion existing in full vigor among the simplest people in the simplest form and it's in its purest one. So totem is a totem raising is a religion which is found among the tribal community. The secular approaches. Durkheim's help was taken to improve secular basis of education away from the control of the church and training qualified teachers, scientific studies of social phenomena in terms of sectors of a system. These are represented by economy, polity, legal arrangements, and
Sab,
religion. Other
Sab,
set of writers have tried to look into the way religion and other specific aspects are related, that is, religion of economy, religion of polity, and religion of legal arrangements.
Sir, what is the best definition of religion?
Hello.
Sir, what is the best definition of religion? Religion is a sacred, is belief in sacred thing,
Yes. Yes, religion is believed in sacred things.
sacred thing and faith.
Hello.
How, sir? Belief in sacred thing or faith?
Religion is believe in sacred things.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Again.
Then economy and religion.
Yes, sir. What is the
Religion.
economic related in religion?
Hello.
How, yes, sir. How economic related on religion?
Yes, I am going to that topic.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Economy.
can you tell me which,
Oh,
sir,
you are from Kenyapura. Hello.
yes, sir. Sir, ମୁଁ ସାଦିଆ।
Oh. ठीक है. Hello.
Sir, ଆମର ଯୋଉ religion ର first paper book 1 ପଢା ହଉଛି?
Yes, yes, that is going on.
Sir,
That is going
ମାନେ
on.
ଆଜିଠୁ start ହେଲା କି first paper ଟା?
Yes, aji start ହେଇଛି
Yes, thank
from
you, sir.
2:30. 2:30.
Yes,
Okay, okay. Let's now discuss about economy and religion. Religion becomes gradually irrelevant to economic prosperity or may hinder the process of growth. For example, or examples are given of the Asian religions, Hinduism and Islam. Here I may say, suppose in Hinduism, people are uh, not hardworking because they were thinking about they are surrendering towards God and they are in the hope that they will achieve moksha and they are not hardworking. That's why I say these people are not earning more. So I can say here that religion becomes gradually irrelevant to economic prosperity. Whereas the for the Protestants in Christianity, the spirit of religion can encourage a man to work hard, earn more money, that is covering it into capital. Among the Christians, such as the attitude of fully expressed in the Protestant sects. So, Protestant, the people belonging to Protestant group, they are hard work. They
Excuse me,
are
sir.
yes.
सर ଆପଣ ଓଡିଆରେ ଟିକେ ବୁଝାନ୍ତୁ ଇଂଲିଶ ଓଡିଆ ମିକ୍ସ କରିକି ବୁଝାନ୍ତୁ ଏମିତି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଆବାଜ ଟା ଠିକ ଆସୁନି।
ଆଚ୍ଛା ହଉ ଠିକ ଅଛି ମୁଁ ବି ଓଡିଆ କହିପାରିବି। ଓକେ ତାହେଲେ ये जो कैपिटलिज्म कथा मु कहूची ये जो इकोनॉमी एंड रिलीजन कथा कहूची जे रिलीजन मनुष्य को अधिक अर्थ उपार्जन करिया पाई सहायक हुए बोली तो प्रोटेस्टेंट सेक्ट बा प्रोटेस्टेंट ग्रुप जो माने अछंती क्रिश्चियन कम्युनिटी रे ସେମାନେ विश्वास करंती एवं ସେମାନେ they are encouraged by hard working and they earn more. They think that time is money and they convert their income, they accumulate more and more wealth. On the other hand, we find in Asian countries like the religions like Hinduism and Islam, we find people are becoming lazy and people are not hardworking. Some people, and they are not accumulating more wealth because they are wholeheartedly surrendering themselves towards God, and they are thinking that God is there to save us, protect us. So we find uh, these are the two concepts where there is capitalism is growing those who are in hardworking, and capitalism is not growing those who are neglecting their
Sir,
labor. Hello, 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 Ole, hello. Protestant ethic and the spirit of capitalism, who is
hello,
the ah
sir. What is the major motive of Durkheim about Protestant ethic and spirit of capitalism? What is the major motive?
Durkheim was studying the primitive society. The elements of religion was very simple, and it was depending upon nature. And in the then society, people, I mean the tribal people, they were, there is solidarity, there is belongingness, there is, they were very simple. So economic development
Because
was not rapid, or
backward in nature.
uh, but in medieval and modern society, due to advancement of knowledge, development of skill, efficiency, technology, accumulation of wealth has increased, and people are accumulating more and more wealth. If we come to Marx, Karl Marx, he was
Yes,
the
sir.
best critic of religion. He says religion is an opium, and it makes individuals idle. Understand? So we find Durkheim was studying religion in simple society. Understand? And
Yes, sir. But what is the major motive? Why he studies Protestant ethic and spirit of capitalism?
hmm,
What is her major motive about that?
uh, Protestant ethic and spirit of capitalism was studied, written by Max Weber.
Yes, sir.
Ah, Here he has distinguished that those who are Protestants, they are accumulating more wealth, but those who
Yes, sir.
are Catholics, they are not accumulating more wealth because
Yes, sir.
they were believing in humanity, they
Yes,
were
sir.
believing in artistic acts, so they were not accumulating more wealth. So Marx says
Yes,
that Protestant ethics and spirit of capitalism. Understand? Then
yes, sir.
the rise of capitalism. The rise of capitalism and the corresponding decline in the significance of agriculture and transfer of surplus so generated for industrial growth are some of the common features. Marx made distinction between the basic structure and superstructure of society. In political economy, Marx maintained that the law, ethical standards, and their literacy expositions or relative religion too belong to the sphere. Marx says the role of society to be one where under difficult stress and strain man turned for solace to religion, which provided the last refuge for a tormented mind. This man was
Sir, what
none
is the
less.
meaning of that? Sir, what is the meaning of that?
That means, according to Marx, uh, religion
Yes, sir.
turn the turn the individual to be to be ideal ideal and व्यक्ति को से बहुत आइडियल कर दिए बा गोटे रिलीजियन को फुल फ्लेज विश्वास करने द्वारा व्यक्ति कर्मठ हो पारे नाही दी मैनर वा तार इरेशनल नॉन रेशनल हो जाए व्यक्ति and creative faculties nearly went under sleep as if taken over by opium situation. ଯଦି ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି ଓପିୟମ ନେଲେ ଯେମିତି ହେଇଯାଏ ତାର କର୍ତ୍ତବ୍ୟ କରିବାର ସେ ଅବହେଳା କରେ ସେଇଭଳି ମାର୍କ୍ସ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି ରିଲିଜିୟନ କୁ ଯଦି ଅଧିକ ମାତ୍ରାରେ ଗ୍ରହଣ କରେ ତାହେଲେ ସେ ଇକୋନୋମିକାଲି ଦୁର୍ବଳ ହେଇଯିବ।
Idea.
Max Weber considers a particular form of religion to whether driving force of human efforts in the rational organization of economy of a specific type of capitalism. According to G.S. Gure, or Gure thought that the Mahabharata contained the essence of Indian society, the Brahmins, the carriers of such tradition. So far as Iravati Karve is concerned, he or she forwarded analysis of kinship organization in India from Mahabharata days till to the middle of the 20th century to trace the kinship organization linking them to their regional spread. J.H. Hutton examined the pre-Aryan influence on the Hindu social order and opined that the incorporation of tribal deities within a Hindu fold was best exemplified in Shiva being made a part of the Trinity. Later scholars have indicated how the Buddha may give the status of an avatar in the Hindu cosmology. So these are the opinions of different prominent sociologists regarding the uh, economy and religion. Then gods and goddesses. O.P. Joshi says the image and paraphernalia of objects associated with the worship. Raja Ravi Verma, in his oil-colored printings, becomes legally popular for painting of gods and goddesses. The pictures one used for sacred purposes of worship during the festivals. So, then ethnographic accounts. M.N. Srinivas, in his work Religion and Society Among the Cooks of South India in the year 1952, stands out as the path-breaking one. He calls this a process of sensitization of rituals and behavior which adopted by a lower group becomes the media. That means M.N. Srinivas କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ imitation ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ ବା sanskritization ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ lower
Sir,
group ର
Sanskritization madhyam to adopt the ritual custom of the higher caste.
higher caste. The
Yes,
lower caste people, they are
sir. Look,
immediate.
immediately adopt the ritual custom
Hmm.
of the higher caste is known as
Higher.
Sanskritization.
Sanskritization. Then he connects various social groups with certain deities specific to each group. So, M.N. Srinivas has studied a village that is in South India. The community was known as Kunj, and he come to know that there is the lower caste people. They were imitating the rituals, the customs, the traditions, their way of living, and etc. And they are changing their status, position in society, and they are jumping to medium class.
Sir,
Understand?
sir,
Go
sir.
on.
Srinivas study only Pur instead of other tribal caste, tribal people.
It is his personal interest. What can
Yes, sir.
I say now?
Yes, sir.
ଯେମିତି ଅରୁନ୍ତା ଟ୍ରାଇବ ଷ୍ଟଡି କରିବା ପାଇଁ କି ତୁମର ଦରଖାଇମ ଚାହିଁଲେ ପ୍ରଫେସର ଦରଖାଇମ ସେମିତି ଇଣ୍ଡିଆରେ ପ୍ରଫେସର M.N. ଶ୍ରୀନିବାସ ଚାହିଁଲେ କି ସେ କମ୍ୟୁନିଟି ଷ୍ଟଡି କରିବେ, ସେ ଷ୍ଟଡି କଲେ, ହେଲା କି?
Yes, sir.
ଆଚ୍ଛା, ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱାନ୍ ଏଟା କଲାଣି। Milton Singer examined Krishna Lila observations in the city of Chennai to see how place and time of performance have become open or secular with theater as a place at any time of the year as a recreation program. ତେଣୁ ମିଲ୍ଟନ ସିଙ୍ଗର ଏଠି କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ କୃଷ୍ଣଲୀଳା ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ ଚେନ୍ନାଇରେ କିଛି ଟାଇମ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ପ୍ଲେସ୍ ଉପରେ ରିଲିଜିଅନ ନିର୍ଭର କରୁଥିଲା ଏବଂ ଲୋକମାନେ ଗୋଟିଏ ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦିଷ୍ଟ ସ୍ଥାନକୁ ଯାଇ ରାମଲୀଳା ଦେଖୁଥିଲେ ଏବଂ ବର୍ଷର ଏହି ସମୟରେ ସେମାନେ ଏ ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମକୁ ରିକ୍ରିଏସନାଲ ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ ଭାବରେ ଗ୍ରହଣ କରୁ ଏବଂ ଏଥିରେ ଯୋଉ ଶିକ୍ଷଣୀୟ ଜିନିଷ ଥିଲା ଯେମିତି ରାବଣର କ୍ୟାରେକ୍ଟର, ରାମର କ୍ୟାରେକ୍ଟର, ମା ସୀତାଙ୍କର କ୍ୟାରେକ୍ଟର, ହନୁମାନ ଗୋଟେ ଭକ୍ତ ହିସାବରେ ତାର କ୍ୟାରେକ୍ଟର, ଏସବୁକୁ ସେମାନେ ଅନୁକରଣ କରୁଥିଲେ ବା ଇଣ୍ଟରନାଲାଇଜ କରୁଥିଲେ। କନକ୍ଲୁଜନ, Weber's treatment of Hinduism as a religion concerned with the position of person in the next part and Moksha in the final stage. And Professor Jogendra Singh articulated the idea of continuity of tradition in the modern setting and others talked of modernizing of tradition. Charvak philosophy with material emphasis of specialized trading proves now exceeding the management techniques. Coming up, the interrelationship of religion and economic growth in India arrived at by stating that religion not restrictive force in economic development and tradition and modernity coexist in the Indian setting. ତେଣୁ Indian setting ରେ religion is not a restrictive force, rather we are accepting religion and we are also continuing in tradition and modernity. Next one. Then anthropological approaches. Anthropological approaches. In anthropology, the goal was to establish a scientific study of human institutions. And the objective was to study the origin and evolution of social institutions. So we know anthropology studies about the evolution of humanity. Religion and kinship were the institutions that received the most attention in primitive society. Anthropologist ମାନେ କହନ୍ତି ଯେ primitive society ରେ religion ଏବଂ kinship relationship was intact, and there is these are the two institutions which are uh, uh, taking the attention of the primitive people. How religion originated in monotheistic form in civilized society, human beings have superior trait, capacity of reflective thought, seeing beyond their conditions of physical existence. In primitive society, people were simple, they were believing in supernatural power, and they think that there, there is superior, there is supreme authority or supernatural power which is beyond their capacity. And they were wholeheartedly accepting or believing that God or goddesses, so far as anthropology is concerned. Then origin theory. Herbert Spencer explained religion arising out of fear of ghosts. Ghost ମାନେ ଜାଣିଛ ନା ନାଇଁ? ହ୍ୟାଲୋ ହ୍ୟାଲୋ
No, sir.
ହଁ ଭୂତ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ghosts. ତେଣୁ ହର୍ବର୍ଟ ସ୍ପେନ୍ସର କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ religion arising out of fear of ghosts, and Max Muller, famous linguist, looked towards language for the origin of religion. The primitive man, to express himself, must have used language to express his emotions. So, ଭାଷା ହେଉଛି ଏକ ମାଧ୍ୟମ ଯାହା ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି ତାର ଫିଲିଂସ୍, ତାର ଇମୋସନ୍ସ, ତାର ଆଇଡିଆସ୍ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ରେସ କରିପାରେ ଅନ୍ୟ ପାଖରେ, ବା ତାକୁ ତାର ଜ୍ଞାନକୁ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସମିଟ୍ କରିପାରେ ଅନ୍ୟ ପାଖକୁ। ତେଣୁ ମ୍ୟାକ୍ସମୁଲରଙ୍କ ମତରେ ଯେ ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଏଜ ହଉଛି ପ୍ରିମିଟିଭ ସୋସାଇଟିର ଗୋଟେ ମାଧ୍ୟମ ଯାହା ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି ତାର ଇମୋସନକୁ ବା ଆବେଗକୁ ପରିପ୍ରକାଶ କରୁ। Honor, power, being more powerful than others. Then another theory in naturalism belief in the force of water, the representation of earth as a mother and sky as father. ତେଣୁ anthropologists ମାନେ analysis କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ earth as mother, ପୃଥିବୀ ମା ସଦୃଶ ଏବଂ ସ୍କାଏ ଆକାଶକୁ ଫାଦର ସଦୃଶ। And psycho-cultural theories, the origin of religions in the deep recesses of the human mind. However, the definition of Taylor of religion as belief in supernatural beings is still valid, and so his definition of a kind of religious practices as animistic. ତେଣୁ ବି ଟେଲର କହୁଛନ୍ତି A religion is belief in supernatural being or supernatural power or otherwise ଆମେ କହିବା ଯେ ଈଶ୍ୱରଙ୍କ ଉପରେ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କରିବା ହଉଛି religion। ତେଣୁ it is still valid and defined a kind of religion practices that is called animistic. Next, then magic and religion. James Fraser, whose immense collection of myths, folklore, and religious beliefs, the earliest stage of human existence is marked by magic. Then comes religion. Then comes science. There is a difference between magic and religion. Let us now differentiate two concepts, magic and religion. Magic is this world, and religion is other world. Magic is pragmatic, and religion is non-pragmatic. Religion is based on knowledge, whereas magic is based on knowledge, whereas religion is based on faith. Magic is rational, religion is irrational. Magic seeks to control, religion seeks to propitiate. Magic depends upon action, whereas religion depends on prayer. So these are the points by means of which we can differentiate between magic and religion. Next. Then archaic and sacred. Hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
Archaic and sacred. Magic and religion কথা বুঝলো তো? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Archaic and sacred. Sacred character of totemic rituals serve to bring about the collective consciousness, the we feeling of belonging to a group or a community. यार अर्थ कौन है तमे जो सैक्रेड कथा कहूथिलो सेतबेले जे दरखाइम कहउचंदी जे सैक्रेड रिलीजन ता ये होची गोटे कैरेक्टर रो टोटेमिक रिचुअल्स which bring about the collective consciousness जो ग्रुप रे बा क्लान रे गोटे टोटेम अछि से टोटेम को सेमाने सर्वांतकरण रे ग्रहण करंती एवं पूजार्चना करंती से फेस्टिवल मानकरे तांका भितरे नाच गीत हुए एवं सेमानक भितरे गोटे कलेक्टिव कॉन्शियसनेस सृष्टि हुए सेही क्लान रो लोक मानक भितरे एवं सेमानक भितरे फेलो फीलिंग आसे बा सेमानकर क्लान गोटे एक्सोगामस ग्रुप बोली एक्सोगामस ग्रुप बोली परिगणित हुए तेणु ये सब होउची गोटे कम्युनिटी रो वी फीलिंग जहा धर्म माध्यम रे होउची बा टोटेमिक माध्यम रे संभवपर होईची तेणु ये होउची गोटे सैक्रेड टोटेम इज ए सैक्रेड बा रिलीजन इज ए सैक्रेड बाय नेचर then Darkhai calls the moral community is one in its sharing of the sacred substance of the ancestors. The sacred is defined as a matter of faith. ତେଣୁ sacred ଟା ଗୋଟେ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ ଯାହାର ଥିବ ସେଇ sacred ବୋଲି ଆମେ କହିବା ଗଙ୍ଗା ନଦୀ sacred ଗଙ୍ଗା ନଦୀର ଜଳ sacred ଏ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ ବୈଜ୍ଞାନିକ ଦୃଷ୍ଟିକୋଣ ଯେ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ ନ କରିବ ତେଣୁ ଗଙ୍ଗା ତ ଆଜିକାଲି ବହୁତ ପ୍ରଦୂଷିତ ହେଇଯାଉଛି ତେଣୁ ୟାର ଜଳ sacred ନୁହେଁ ତେଣୁ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ ଉପରେ କଥା ଯଦି ଆମେ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କରିବା ତାହେଲେ ଧର୍ମ अच्छी धर्म ईश्वर स्थिति अच्छी जदि विश्वास न करिबा ताहले हमर धर्म रे विश्वास नाही बोली जानिबा नाही तेणु sacred things are related with religion according to the kind. Then functional interpretation of religion. Radcliffe Brown has added the notion of a taboo to his notion of the sacred. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Malinowski to treat early man as practical and early forms of religion and music as serving practical ends both of individual and group level. ତେଣୁ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଫଙ୍କସନାଲ ଇଣ୍ଟରପ୍ରିଟେସନ ଅଫ ରିଲିଜିଅନ କଥାରେ କହିବା ଯେ ରାଡକ୍ଲିଫ ବ୍ରାଉନଙ୍କ ମତରେ it is added to the notion of taboos ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାର taboos ଅଛି ଆମର ସୋସିଆଲ ଚଳଣି ହେଲା କି ଏବଂ ସେ taboo ଗୁଡିକ ହଉଛି କଣ ନା notion of sacred and Malinowski କହୁଛନ୍ତି to treat early man as practical and early forms of religion and magic as serving practical ends both of individual and group level. So religion
Sir, what
is
is
sacred.
taboo? Sir, what is taboo?
What is sacred?
Taboo. No, sir. What
Taboo.
sacred is related to really sacred thing. Sacred is
Sacred
related
thing.
to. Yes, sir. No.
Uh,
What is taboo?
taboo. taboo
Yes, sir.
ସେଇ ଦୈନନ୍ଦିନ ଚଳନି ବା ରୀତି ନିୟମ
Daily ritual.
ହ୍ୟାଲୋ
Yes, sir.
ହଁ so these are the taboos. So the taboos are always sacred. The rituals which we perform during different festivals, that is also called as taboos. Religion and cultural system. For Greeks, symbols association with religion. Each religion has a symbol. Understand? Depending upon its goal or depending upon its objectives, we can know that what is the objectives of Hinduism or objectives of any other religion and cultural uh, this cultural dimensions of religious analysis. Uh, religion can is a cultural institution also, and it develops cultural ideas and cultural activities are transferred from generation to generation by means of religion. Then culture is embodied in symbols by means of which men communicate their knowledge and attitude towards life. ତେଣୁ culture କହିଲେ ଆମେ କଣ ବୁଝିବା symbol by means of which the man communicate their knowledge and attitude towards the life. So D.P. Taylor କହୁଛନ୍ତି complex culture is that complex one which includes our knowledge, belief, ideas, moral characteristics, and any other capabilities acquired by man in society. And culture is classified as material culture and non-material culture. All these things are there. Here we find religion is associated with the culture and it is stimulating our cultural system and cultural diffusion is possible by means of religion. Then defining religion. Spiro believe in superhuman beings who have the power to help or harm human. Spiro କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ believe in human beings who have the power to help and harm. Believe in superhuman. Superhuman कहले God. And we are believing in superhuman beings who have power to help or harm humans. ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିକୁ ଯେ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରିପାରନ୍ତି ବା ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିକୁ ଯେ harm ବୁଲେଇ ପାରନ୍ତି. ତେଣୁ that is called superhuman God. The Buddha is also believed to influence positively the well-being of his followers. Spiro regards religion as a cultural institution. He defined it as an institution consisting of culturally patterned interaction with culturally postulated superhuman beings. Spiro explained religion on two accounts: research from the grounds on which religion's propositions are believed to be true, research for the basis for belief in superhuman beings. By bringing a psychological explanation for religion, Spiro was going against the entire tradition established by the Durkheim. Spiro was just opposite of Durkheim in his ideas so far as religion is concerned. Next, the Marxist anthropological viewpoint. Ibn Battuta, 1975, is a fresh approach to religion as a shared reality. It is both a system of ideas about reality and a means of communicating those ideas. Peter Worsley and Louis Dumont have studied religion as ideology. Capitalists and bourgeois ideologies invaded and transformed the existent ideologies naturally after a struggle. In fact, Marxism within anthropology had limited appeal. Next unit, that is third unit, historical and comparative approach. Hello.
ହଁ ସାର୍
ହଁ କେମିତି ଲାଗୁଛି?
ସାର୍ ଭଲ ଲାଗୁଛି।
ହଉ ଆଉ ଆମ ଗ୍ରୁପ ପିଲା ସବୁ ଅଛନ୍ତି ତ?
କେତେ ଜଣ ଅଛନ୍ତି? କମ ପିଲା ତ ଅଛନ୍ତି।
ହଁ ସେ ସବୁ ଜାଣିନାହାନ୍ତି ଆଉ। ହଉ ହଉ ଆଉ ଟିକେ କମ୍ୟୁନିକେଟ କରିଦଉ ଆଉ।
Yes sir.
Then historical and comparative approach. The earliest evidence of religion must be the prehistoric cave painting. सब गुंफा जानते केव कहले गुंफा हला कि केव पेंटिंग रू ऐतिहासिक माने जे धर्म किमित थिला बा टेंपल मानकर किमित स्थिति थिला सब जाना. Archaeologists have discovered some figurines, mostly fertility figures of women in many prehistoric sites. In India, both burial sites and rock painting indicate some kind of ritualistic beliefs dating from the Mesolithic period. Worship of nature is again a part of very ancient beliefs, and so are the merging of animate and the inanimate. The Nagas not only believe that stones are animate, they also believe that stones procreate just like humans. Hutton 1968. All the supernatural beings, gods and goddesses, are like human with mixed characters, and there is no dualism between God and evil. Next, the God and kings. The ancient states were all based upon the legitimacy of the rulers too, because they were either the main religion functionaries, what Fraser has called the priestly kings, or they were mediators between the supernatural and the mortal men, or they were divinity themselves. ତେଣୁ ଏଠି ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ବ୍ୟାଖ୍ୟା କଲେ ଯେ ହିଷ୍ଟୋରିକାଲ ଆପ୍ରୋଚ କହୁଛି ଯେ କିଙ୍ଗସ୍ ବା ରୁଲର୍ସ ମାନେ ଏମାନେ ସବୁ ମିଡିଲ ମ୍ୟାନ ରୋଲ କରୁଥିଲେ ବାକି they were just mediators between the supernatural power and the mortal men. ତାହେଲେ ସାଧାରଣ ମଣିଷ ଏମାନଙ୍କ ମଧ୍ୟରେ ସେ ଗୋଟେ ମିଡିଏଟର ରୋଲ କରୁଥିଲେ and sometimes they were divinity themselves. In ancient Rome, the Athens priest was carried the title of king. In India, the collusion of Brahmin priest and the Kshatriya king was the ruling nexus. The king was the secular power holder and the great sacred power holder, and therefore, in a sense, superior to the king. The power of a Brahmin to make or break a person's social and ritual status had been recognized by no less a person than Dear Ambedkar, which he wrote the book We Are the Sudras in 1900. Thus, Hinduism had many changing faces and was more of an amalgamation of multiple standards of thoughts and beliefs than a monolithic religion. Hinduism is a monolithic religion and it had many changing faces and was more or less many amalgamations of multiple standards of thoughts there is there in Hinduism, and there is belief there in religion. On, moon, rain, wind, volcano, and mountains, seas, and mines are all personified as gods and goddesses. These trees and animals were not only worshipped, they were supposed to have a soul and were having consciousness akin to humans. Thus, in ancient Greece, there was adequate practice of worship of trees and sacred groves. People pray to the god of heaven to give them men to the prevent famine and famine and floods. He prayed to the earth to remain beautiful, to provide crops, fruits, and trees. They pray to the sea to remain calm, not to down the boats and uh, ships. The phenomena of nature are also viewed through signs and moments. The star of Bethlehem was appeared to herald the coming of a good king. The time around the moon, the ring around the moon is supposed to indicate a storm, and the Nagas believe that a start rainbow is indicative of an impending disaster like war. The flowering of bamboo trees in the northeastern India is also believed to lead to widespread famine. Thus, many people read nature as they would a book. They would a book. Next, soul and the sacrifice. The concept of soul was introduced into social theory of Taylor, traced the origin of religion to the belief in soul led to associated beliefs like the afterworld, heaven, and hell. It is undestructible and passing on either to another world or to another world. Sacrifice plays important role in all religions. The sense of making and offering to the gods or giving up something to the gods or giving up something to deprive oneself. In Hindu notion of Tyaga, renunciation, or withdrawal from something. So there is there is a link between soul and sacrifice. Then God and deities. Central to all forms of religion are the doctrines that define what is worshipped and how it is to be worshipped and what is the goal of worship. Then myths. Myths recognized from of most ancient cultures and from the most ancient times. These are ancient culture. Anthropologists like Levi-Strauss, emanating from the very structure of the human brain. Uh, Psychologists like Sigmund Freud, evolution of the human race is its strong collective memory of the human race. So, those are myths regarding bees and snakes that play an important role in most cultures, symbol of fertility and fertility. Myths are often complete history of a people or religion as they usually provide the entire story from the beginning to the end of it. However, in 1992, the significance of myth to the historian lies more in its being the self-image of a given culture expressing its social assumption. Thus, myths have been instrumental in triggering of social and political movements at time. So these are about myths. Last, the religion's experience. Two major types of religions, the folk and the universal religions. Folk religion and universal religion. The folk religions are the characteristics of smaller groups and are localized systems of belief often known by the name of God. The Sauras of Orissa believe that people among them do not die, but after death they go to the they go to live on the top hill found in their area. In folk religion, many believe and tied up with the environment and locally existing trees, rivers, and even stones. They cannot be transferred to other places and never become universal religions. The universal religions are usually traced to some prophets and are spread across a large proportion of the world. Next, for example, Buddhism from the and Christianity from Christ. Most of them have written texts for communication and transmission. All religions, local or universal, produce deep-seated emotional responses in the followers of belief systems. Long-lasting moods and motivations can trigger of action and lead in impaired responses. So these are the religions experience. So these are religion experiences. The last portion of this chapter, that is conclusion. Thus, what is religion is still a part of experimental reality, and the vast range of belief and practices that can be studied under it remains almost unlimited, but an overall analysis we can distinguish between the visually aspect of religion, like political, economic, and social aspects in shaping the transforming society and otherworldly experience that transfers humans and relating them to a less. So this is about the historical approach of religion. Any question, please? Hello.
Question, sir.
Ah, cool.
Sir, I
Hello.
କିଛି question is आज भाई
ହୁଁ
ଏତିକି।
ଆଜି ପାଇଁ ଏତିକି। ଓକେ
କାଲି ପୁଣି କାଲି
କାଲି
ପୁଣି ହବ।
ସେଇ 2:30 ଆଉ ହେଲା।
Yes, sir. Yeah. ସାର୍ ଆପଣ ତ ସବୁ ପଢେଇବେ ଆମର।
ମୁଁ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି MSOE 003
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ପଢେଇବି। ଆଉ
ସାର୍ ଡେମୋକ୍ରାସି ଆଣ୍ଡ ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ ପଢେଇବେନି କି?
ଆଗ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଇୟର ର
ଆଜ୍ଞା
MSOE 001 ପଢା ସରିଛି। ପ୍ରଫେସର ସନ୍ତୋଷ କୁମାର ରଥ ପଢଉଥିଲେ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ତାପରେ MSOE 002 ଡକ୍ଟର ତନୟା ମହାନ୍ତି ପଢଉଥିଲେ। MSOE 003 ପଢଉଛି। MSOE 004 ଡକ୍ଟର PK ଜେନା ପଢେଇବେ। ଟାଇମ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଟେବୁଲ ଜାଣିଛି। ଆଉ ତାପରେ ପୁଣି ନେକ୍ସଟ ଇଏକୁ ଆଲଟ କରାଯିବ କାହାକୁ।
ସାର୍ ଆମର
ହଁ
ସବୁ ମାନେ ଡେମୋକ୍ରାସି
ହ୍ୟାଲୋ
ସେଟା ପଢା
ହ୍ୟାଲୋ
Hello.
କୁହନ୍ତୁ ମ୍ୟାଡ଼ାମ।
Hi, sir. What are the two paths of sociological understanding of religion?
What are the parts?
Two paths. Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. What are
What
the
are the two paths?
uh,
Two paths
parts?
of sociological understanding of religion.
ସାର୍
Sociological under.
ସାର୍
Hello.
ମୁଁ କହିବି sacred and profane.
Hmm.
Sir, it is a two basic part of sociology of religion because religion is sacred ଆଉ profane ଉପରେ ବେଶୀ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଗୁରୁତ୍ୱ।
No, no. Oh, the madam was asking about the two parts of sociology of religion. Is not it?
Yes.
Uh,
Yes, sir.
that was. It was.
Belief and sir action. No.
No, no, no. That is using the writings and explanations of religion given in the texts and practices of peoples by earlier writers as data. This is one. Another was developing a perspective or a set of perspectives for understanding the central interest of sociological inquiries. For example, the role of the religion in generating cooperation and conflict in society. These are the two parts of the sociological perspectives of religion.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, okay, thank you. ମ୍ୟାଡ଼ାମ
Sir,
ଆପଣଙ୍କର ପରିଚୟ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। ହ୍ୟାଲୋ।
yes sir.
ହଁ ସେ ଆର ମ୍ୟାଡ଼ାମଙ୍କ ପରିଚୟ ଟିକେ କଣ ଜାଣିବା। ହ୍ୟାଲୋ।
Myself, Kanan Mohanty.
କାନନ ମହାନ୍ତ ହଁ।
Yeah, from Raulkela.
ଓ ରାଉରକେଲା। Okay.
Yes, sir.
You are doing IGNOS at Raulkela Government College.
Yes, sir.
Government College. How many students are there in part 2?
Actually, I not exactly I don't know how many students are there.
You are there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Same to you. Any other question?
Sir, what is the basic function of religion?
Basic?
Ritual and sacrifice এই সব।
What is question কহ মতে?
Sir, what is the basic function of religion?
Basic function of religion.
Yes sir.
ନା କଣ?
Religion and sacrifice.
So religion is creating social solidarity or unity among the individuals. For example,
Yes. Hmm.
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଯୋଉ ମଡର୍ନ ସୋସାଇଟିରେ ସବୁ ନୂଆ ନୂଆ ରିଲିଜିଅନ ଆସିଗଲାଣି, ଯେମିତି ଆମେ କହିବା ସାଇ ବାବା ସଂଗଠନ ନାଇଁ ବା
Yes sir.
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କହିବା ଯେ ଇସ୍କନ ଗୋଟେ ସଂଗଠନ ନାଇଁ ଇସ୍କନ ଗୋଟେ ସଂଗଠନ ଅଛି ଜାଣିଛ ନା?
No,
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଇସ୍କନ ସଂଗଠନ ନାଇଁ
no.
ଇଣ୍ଟରନ୍ୟାସନାଲ ଇଣ୍ଟରନ୍ୟାସନାଲ କୃଷ୍ଣ କଲଚର ଉପରେ ଯୋଉ ସଂଗଠନ କୃଷ୍ଣ ଲର୍ଡ କୃଷ୍ଣଙ୍କର କଲଚର ସେମାନେ ରଥ ଟାଣିଲେ ଏବେ ଟାଣିଲ ନାଇଁ କି?
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ହଁ ସେଇ ସବୁ ଯୋଉ ନୂଆ ନୂଆ ସଂଗଠନ ଆସୁଛି ବା ପୁରୁଣା ରିଲିଜିୟନ ଆମର ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାର ଧର୍ମ ରହିଛି ହିନ୍ଦୁଇଜିମ ରହିଛି ଇସଲାମ ରହିଛି ଖ୍ରୀଷ୍ଟିଆନିଟି ରହିଛି ବୁଦ୍ଧିଜିମ ରହିଛି ଜୈନିଜିମ ରହିଛି। ହ୍ୟାଲୋ ହ୍ୟାଲୋ ସବୁ ଧର୍ମ ଗୋଟେ କୋପରେସନ ଅଛି ଆମେ ଯୋଉ ପଢିଲେ ଯେ ରିଲିଜିୟନ ସୋସିଓଲୋଜିକାଲ कोऑपरेशन एंड कॉन्फ्लिक्ट କଥା ଯୋଉ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ perspective କହିଲେ religion brings cooperation among the followers or the individuals and sometimes we find there is conflict between two religions. It also occurs in human society. And so far as the function of religion is concerned, it is um, developing our morality by moral characteristics. It is increasing culture. It is helping in the process of socialization, and so far as different social institutions are there, like marriage, family, and other social institutions. Uh, Religion also playing significant role. In Hinduism, we say marriage is a religious sacrament. Is it is a religious sacrament among the Hindus, marriage itself. So, religion uh, is a part of society according to the time. It is pervasive and the soul of society. The time change. Understand? Hello.
The function of religion is it cooperate individual.
That is cooperation among the individuals who are following a same religion. ଏଠି ଗୋଟେ ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦିଷ୍ଟ ଧର୍ମ ଭିତରେ ଧର୍ମ ସମ୍ପ୍ରଦାୟର ସଦସ୍ୟ ମାନଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ ଗୋଟେ ୟୁନିଟି ଅଛି କୋଅପରେସନ ଅଛି ଫେଲୋ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଫିଲିଂ ଅଛି ଏସବୁ ଅଛି।
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ହଉ ଏନି ମୋର କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍?
No, sir. ଏତିକି
Okay.
ଥିଲା doubt. ପୁଣି କାଲି
Okay. Then let us stop here.
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
Thank you all.
ଓକେ ସାର୍ ନମସ୍କାର।
ନମସ୍କାର। আর কোনটা বন্ধ করছিস? Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello, Ritesh. Ritesh. Last minute କୁଆଡେ ଗଲୁ? ନରେନ୍ଦ୍ର ଆସିନି ଆଜି? Ritesh.
ସାର୍ ପଢା ବନ୍ଦ କଲେ କାହିଁକି, କଣ ହେଲା?
ପିଲା ଯେତିକି କୋଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ପଚାରିଲେ ତାପରେ ରହିଲେ ବନ୍ଦ କଲି। ହ୍ୟାଲୋ ସାର୍, ହ୍ୟାଲୋ ସାର୍, ହ୍ୟାଲୋ, ହ୍ୟାଲୋ
यस सर।
ସାର୍
ସାର୍
କୁହନ୍ତୁ।
ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ଆପଣ ଟିକେ ମଝିରେ ମଝିରେ ଓଡିଆରେ ବୁଝେଇଲେ ଟିକେ ଅଧିକ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ ଲାଗନ୍ତା। ଆପଣ ତ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ଇଂଲିଶ ଟୁ ଇଂଲିଶ ଟକିଂ କରୁଛନ୍ତି, ତ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ ଭଏସ ଟା ବି କ୍ଲିୟର ଆସୁନି, ସେଥିପାଇଁ ପିଲା ରହୁନାହାନ୍ତି।
ଭଏସ୍ କ୍ଲିୟର ହଉନି? ହ୍ୟାଲୋ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍, ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଭଏସ ଟା କ୍ଲିୟର ଆସୁନି, ସେଥିପାଇଁ ପିଲା ବୋଧେ ବୋରିଂ ହେଇକି ପଳଉଛନ୍ତି।
ଓଡିଆରେ କହିବା ତ।
ନା ଆପଣ ହିନ୍ଦୀ ବି ମିକ୍ସ କରିପାରିବେ, ଇଂଲିଶ ହିନ୍ଦୀ ଏମିତି ମିକ୍ସ କରିପାରିବେ। ଆମେ ତ ସହଜ ସାର୍ ଓଡିଆ ପିଲା, ଇଂଲିଶ ମିଡିୟମ ତ ନୁହଁ ନା, ତ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ଇଂଲିଶ ଟୁ ଇଂଲିଶ ଏତେ ବି ଠିକ ନୁହଁ ସାର୍।
ଓଡିଆରେ କହିବା ଆଉ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା, ଓଡିଆ ମିକ୍ସ କଲେ ସାର୍ ଟିକେ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ ଲାଗିବ।
ହଁ, ନାଇଁ ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ଲାସକୁ ମିକ୍ସ କରିବେ। ଓଡିଆ ଇଂଲିଶ ଉଭୟ କହିବା।
बोधे सर सेपटे नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम भी ଅଛି ବୋଧେ।
ହ୍ୟାଲୋ, ଏଗେନ୍ ପ୍ଲିଜ।
ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସାର୍ ନେଟୱାର୍କ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ଅଛି କି? ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଭଏସ ଟା ବହୁତ କମ ଶୁଭୁଛି।
ନେଟୱାର୍କ ସ୍ଲୋ ଅଛି ବୋଧେ। କ୍ଲିୟର ଶୁଭୁନି?
ନା କ୍ଲିୟର ତ ଏବେ ଶୁଭୁନି। ପାଖରେ ବୋଧେ ଫ୍ୟାନ ଲଗେଇଛନ୍ତି ନା କଣ, ସେଇ ଆବାଜ ଟା ଶୁଭୁଛି।
ଏଇଟା ଶୁଭୁଛି?
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଆପଣଙ୍କ କଥା ହିଁ ମତେ ଶୁଭୁଛି।
ନା ଆମେ କହିଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଶୁଭିବ, କାହିଁକି ନା ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଫ୍ୟାନ ପାଖରେ ଅଛି ନା, ତ ସେ ଭଏସ
ହଁ।
ଟା ବେଶୀ ଶୁଭୁଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କଠୁ।
ଓ ଫ୍ୟାନ୍ ବନ୍ଦ କରିଦବା।
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ
ନାଇଁ
ବନ୍ଦ
ସାର୍
କରନ୍ତୁନି,
ସେତେବେଳେ
ଆପଣ ସ୍ଲୋ କରନ୍ତୁ, ଫ୍ୟାନ ସ୍ଲୋ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
ଆଚ୍ଛା।
ନାଇଁ ସାର୍ ସେତେବେଳେ ତ ପ୍ରଥମେ ଯାହା କହୁଥିଲେ ଠିକ ସେ ଶୁଭା ଯାଉଥିଲା। ପ୍ରଥମେ ଯୋଉ
ହ୍ୟାଲୋ।
ଅଧଘଣ୍ଟା ଖଣ୍ଡେ,
ହଁ।
ପ୍ରଥମେ ଅଧଘଣ୍ଟା ଖଣ୍ଡେ ଯାହା କହିଲେ ସାର୍ ବହୁତ ବଢିଆରେ ଶୁଭା ଯାଉଥିଲା।
ଆଚ୍ଛା। ତାପରେ କ୍ଲିୟର ହେଲାନି।
ନା
କହୁଛି
ତାପରେ
ସାର୍
ତ
ଇକୋ ହଉଛି
କ୍ଲିୟର
ଆଉ।
ଆସୁନି,
ହଁ
ଏବେ ଯାଏ ବି କ୍ଲିୟର ଆସୁନି ସାର୍ ଠିକ ସେ।
ଏବେ ବି କ୍ଲିୟର ଆସୁନି?
ହଁ ଏବେ କେବେ କେବେ ଆସୁଛି, ପୁଣି
କଣ?
କେବେ ଥଙ୍ଗ ଥଙ୍ଗ ହେଇକି ଶୁଭୁଛି, ଏମିତି ହଉଛି।
ହୁଁ।
ସାର୍ ନେଟୱାର୍କ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ସକାଶେ ସେମିତି ହଉଛି କ୍ଲାସ, ନହେଲେ ଆଉ କିଛି ନାହିଁ।
ହୁଁ। ଆଉ କଣ କୁହନ୍ତୁ? हेलो
सर आमर
ଆପଣ ପ୍ରହ୍ଲାଦ ରାଉତ କହୁଥିଲେ?
आज्ञा सर आज्ञा
हाँ।
प्रहलाद राउत कहूँ सर
ପରିଚୟ
बीए एग्जाम हम कि एबे परीक्षा हम ना नहीं
ଜୁନ ରେ
ना ना बीए रो
ଜୁନ
जो परीक्षा सेशन थिला एबे जून रे सेटा हम कि नहीं
ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟିର
आज्ञा सर आज्ञा एक्चुअली यूट्यूब रे बारंबार एमती नोटिफिकेशन आसुची कि फर्स्ट ईयर और सेकंड ईयर को एमती पास कर दिया गला एमती करके मेसेज आसुची
ସେଇଟା ହବ।
एटा कोन सत्य कि सर
ଏଇଟା ତ ମନ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଡିସିସନ ନେଇଛନ୍ତି କିନ୍ତୁ କିଛି ଲୋକ ଅପୋଜ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ସେ ପରୀକ୍ଷା ନହେଲେ ପିଲାଙ୍କର ଜ୍ଞାନ କମ ବଢେ।
नहीं
ତାପରେ
बे फाइनल डिसीजन
ଜୁଲାଇ
कोन
20 ପରେ
अछि कि
ସାଉଣ୍ଡ କଣ ଏମିତି ହଉଛି ଖୋଲିଦବ ଏଇଟା। ହ୍ୟାଲୋ
आज्ञा सर सुबुची
ହଁ ଏବେ ହଁ ଆଉ ପ୍ରହ୍ଲାଦ ପରିଚୟ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
सर मु नयागढ़ रु कहूची किंतु एबे डिफेंस रो अछि केरल कोच्चि रे
ହଁ ଆଚ୍ଛା ଭାଇ ଇଗ୍ନୋ ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ ହାୟର ଷ୍ଟଡି କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ।
आज्ञा सर आज्ञा मु एबे केरल कोच्चि रे अछि सर डिफेंस रे किंतु हमर घर
ହଁ
होची नयागढ़
ଆଚ୍ଛା ପାର୍ଟ वन କ୍ଲିୟର କରିଦେଇଛନ୍ତି?
ନାଇଁ ସାର୍ ସେଥିରେ ବି ଅଛି ତିନିଟା ମୋର ବ୍ୟାକ୍ ପେପର ଅଛି ସେଇଟା ବି ଦେବି
ଆଚ୍ଛା ପ୍ଲସ୍ ଏ
ଗୋଟେ
ବର୍ଷ
ଦେଇକି
ଦବ
ଆସିଥିଲି ଏବେ ତ ଆମେ ସାର୍ ଲକଡାଉନ ରେ ଏଠି ଫସି ଯାଇଛୁ ଆଉ ଏବେ ଜୁନ ରେ ଯାଇଥାନ୍ତୁ ଛୁଟି
ତ ବଡ ସମସ୍ୟା ହେଇଛି ଆଉ।
ଜୁନ ରେ
ଏଇ
ଛୁଟି
ହୋମ
ଯାଇଥାନ୍ତୁ ଯେ ଆଉ ଯାଇପାରିଲୁନି
ଆସି ହେଲା ନାହିଁ ଆଉ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍
ଚାଲିଲେ ଗାଡି ଆସିବେ ଆଉ ଟ୍ରେନ ଫ୍ରେନ ଚାଲିଲେ
ଟ୍ରେନ ଚାଲିଲାଣି ଯେ କିନ୍ତୁ ଆମ ୟୁନିଟ ରୁ ବନ୍ଦ କରିଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ନା ଛୁଟି ଏବେ ଯୋଉମାନେ ଛୁଟି ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି
ନାହିଁ ଆଉ।
ସେମାନେ ଆସିପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ତ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆମର ଛୁଟି ବନ୍ଦ କରିଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଏବେ ସାର୍ ବିଏ କ୍ଲାସ ହଉଛି କି ଏମିତି ଅନଲାଇନ କ୍ଲାସ ହଉଛି କି
କୋଉ କ୍ଲାସ କଥା କହୁଛ?
ବିଏ ସୋସିଓଲୋଜି
ବିଏ ର କ୍ଲାସ ଅନଲାଇନ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେଇନି।
ହେଇନି
ନା
ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ମୋ ମିସେସ୍ ବିଏ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ତ ଇଗ୍ନୋରେ
ଆଚ୍ଛା
ତ
ଆଚ୍ଛା
ସିଏ ଏମିତି ଅନଲାଇନ କ୍ଲାସ ହଉଛି କଣ ସେ ପଚାରୁଥିଲେ ସେଥିପାଇଁ
ଏ ପାଣିଗ୍ରାହୀ ସାର୍ ଙ୍କୁ ପଚାରିଲେ ଭଲ ହୁଅନ୍ତା।
ପାଣିଗ୍ରାହୀ ସାର୍ ତ ଅନଲାଇନ ନାହାନ୍ତି ଏବେ କାହିଁ ଆସିଲେ ପଚାରିବି ଆଉ
ହଉ ବୁଝିକି କହିବା
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍
ହଉ ଆଉ ଗ୍ରାଜୁଏସନ କୋଉଠି କରୁଥିଲ?
ଗ୍ରାଜୁଏସନ ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ପ୍ରଥମେ ତ ଇଟାମାଟି କଲେଜରେ କରୁଥିଲି ତାପରେ
ଇଟାମାଟି ହଁ
ସେଟା ତ ଅଧାରୁ ଛାଡ ହେଲା ତାପରେ ପୁଣି ଇଗ୍ନୋରେ କଲି ଇଗ୍ନୋରେ
ଚାକିରି ପାଇଗଲ।
କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ କରିକି ଏବେ ଏମଏ କରୁଛି ଆଉ
ହୁଁ
ସେଟା ଅଧା ଚାଲିଥିଲା ତ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଇୟର କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ ହଉ ହଉ ଚାକିରି ହେଇଗଲା ତାପରେ
ଡିଫେନ୍ସ
ଆଉ
ରେ
ଛାଡିଲି
ସିଲେକ୍ଟ ହେଇଗଲ ଆଉ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଭଲ ହେଲା ଚାକିରି ହେଇଗଲା। ଇଗ୍ନୋର ତ ଓଡିଆ ପରୀକ୍ଷା ଦେଇହବନି କେବଳ ଖାଲି ଆମେ ବୁଝିବା ପାଇଁ କହିବା ହେଲା
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍ ବୁଝିଗଲେ ତ ସେଇଟା ହେଇଯିବ ସାର୍
ଦେଖିବାକୁ
କିନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ
ସୁବିଧା ହବ ଆଉ।
ହଁ
ଲେଖିବାକୁ
ହଁ
ସୁବିଧା ହବ।
ମୁଁ ସେଥିପାଇଁ କହୁଥିଲି ଓଡିଆରେ
ହଁ ଠିକ
ବୁଝେଇ ଦେଲେ
ଅଛି
ତାପରେ
ହଁ
ସୁବିଧା ହେଇଯିବ ଲେଖିବାକୁ
ହଉ ହଉ ଠିକ
ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ମୁଁ ହିନ୍ଦୀ ମିଡିୟମ ନେଇଛି ତ ଯଦି
ହଁ
ପାରିବେ ଆପଣ ହିନ୍ଦୀରେ ବି ବୁଝେଇ ପାରିବେ କିନ୍ତୁ ଅନ୍ୟ ବହୁତ ଗୁଡେ ପିଲା ଥିବେ କି
ହଁ ଓଡିଶା
ଯୋଉମାନଙ୍କୁ
ପିଲା
ହିନ୍ଦୀ
ବୁଝିପାରିବେ।
କମ୍ଫର୍ଟେବଲ ହବନି
ତେଣୁ ଓଡିଆ କହିବା
ହଁ ଓଡିଆ ଟା ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ କମ୍ଫର୍ଟେବଲ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ମୁଁ କହୁଥିଲି
ହଁ ଠିକ କହିଛ ଆଉ ରିତେଶ କଣ କହୁଛୁ?
ନା ସାର୍ ଆଉ କଣ କହିବି କ୍ଲାସ ତ ହଉଛି ଭଲ ଲାଗିଲା କ୍ଲାସ ମୁଁ ସାର୍ କୋଉ ସାର୍ କ୍ଲାସ କରିନଥିଲି ଆପଣଙ୍କ କ୍ଲାସ ଟା ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ ପାଇଁ କଲି
ଆ ସମସ୍ତ ସାର୍ କ୍ଲାସ କରିବା କଥା ନା
ସାର୍ ନାଇଁ ମୋର କଣ
କ୍ଲାସ ନ
କନେକ୍ଟ
କଲେ
ହଉନଥିଲା ଆଜି ହିଁ ହେଲା ଆପଣ ଦେଲା
ହଁ
ଦିନଠୁ
ଯାହା ହଉ ମୋ କ୍ଲାସରେ କନେକ୍ଟ ହେଇଛି
ହୁଁ
ଲିପିକା
ସାର୍
କୋଉଠି
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଭଏସ ଟା
ଅଛନ୍ତି?
ଇକୋ ହଉଛି, ଘରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ତ ସେଥିପାଇଁ
ଆଁ
ଇକୋ ହେଇକି ଆସୁଛି।
ଇକୋ
ଆପଣଙ୍କ
ହଉଛି?
ଭଏସ ଟା ଇକୋ ହଉଛି। ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଖବର କାରଣ କଣ? ହଁ ଏବେ ବି ହଉଛି?
ହଁ ସାର୍, ଘରେ ସାଉଣ୍ଡ ଟା ଖେଳେଇ ହବନି, ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ଇକୋ ହେଇକି ଆସୁଛି ପୁଣି।
ହ୍ୟାଲୋ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍, ଏବେ କ୍ଲିୟର ହେଲା।
ହଁ ସେଟା ତ ମୁଁ ଦେଇକି ପଢଉଥିଲି।
ହଁ ପଢେଇଲା ବେଳେ ଠିକ ଥିଲା, କ୍ଲାସ ଥିଲା। ଏମିତି ଖାଲି କଥା ହେଲା ବେଳେ ଇକୋ ହଉଛି।
ଏବେ ହଁ ତ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେଇଥିଲା।
ସାର୍ ଏକ୍ଜାମ
ଘରକୁ
କେବେ ହବ, କଣ
ଶୋଇଥିଲି
କିଛି
ଫୋନ
ଆସିଛି କି
ଉଠେଇଲା।
ନୋଟିଫିକେସନ?
ଇଗ୍ନୋର
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍।
ଗୋଟେ ଜୁନରେ ହଏ।
ହଁ ହଁ, ଜୁନରେ।
ଜୁନରେ ଯୋଉଟା ହଏ ସେଟା ଘୁଞ୍ଚିଛି।
ଆଉ କେବେ
ପରେ
ହବ, କଣ କିଛି ଆସିଲାଣି?
ଆମେ ଡିକ୍ଲାର କରିବା ଏଇ ଅନଲାଇନରେ। ନହେଲେ ତମ ପାଖ ସବୁ ଅନଲାଇନ ଯିବନି, ନେଟରେ ଯିବ।
ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଭାବିଲି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଆଗୁଆ ଜଣା ଯାଇଥିବ କି କଣ।
ପରୀକ୍ଷା କଣ୍ଡକ୍ଟ ବାବଦରେ ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟି କରିବ। ଆମେ
ହୁଁ।
କାଉନସଲର। ତେଣୁ ଅନଲାଇନରେ ମେସେଜ ଯିବ ନିଶ୍ଚିନ୍ତ।
ସାର୍ ଆଉ କ୍ଲାସ ହବ, ପଢା ହବ ନା ସରିଲାଣି?
ଆଜି ଆଉ ନାଇଁ, କାଲିକି ପଢେଇବା ଆଉ।
ଠିକ ଅଛି, ସେଇ 2:30 ଟାଇମ ତ।
ଆଁ
ସେଇ 2:30 ଟାଇମ ଫେରେ ଆଉ,
ସେ
କାଲି ଆଉ।
2:30
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ହଉ ହଉ ତାହେଲେ ରହୁଛି। ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍, ନମସ୍କାର।
ହଉ ସାର୍, ତାହେଲେ ଆମେ ରହିଲୁ ସାର୍, ନମସ୍କାର। ହଉ ସାର୍, ତାହେଲେ ଆମେ ରଖିଲୁ।
ହ୍ୟାଲୋ। ଆଜ୍ଞା। ପ୍ରବୀଣ କହିବେ କି? ନା। ये कौन प्रेजेंट? Let me think. हाँ close your नमस्कार क्लास सरला सर क्वेश्चन जा पचार था अल्प क्वेश्चन पचारे जन कल करदे अधघंटा रखी क्वेश्चन पाई 5-10 मिनिट ଟିକେ फास्ट फास्ट तो बहुत क्वेश्चन पचार आप जो पठे मोबाइल रे प्रथम क्लास बहुत क्वेश्चन तेणु आम पढ़ाटा आगे अधिक आगे तीन टा यूनिट पढ़ो 4टा कर लब आउ व्याख्या कले पिला ओडिया मिसे मासे कहया